Dave from Mansik's Adventure. Hey, I'm here at the Win, and this weekend through the F1 race, they're displaying Steve McQueen's Porsche 917 from the movie, the hero car. This is chassis 022, and hey, if you want to buy it, here you go. But here's the car, and it's kind of a labor of love because a bunch of us worked on it, and mainly Joey Cavalieri is responsible for the whole thing, but it's just incredible to have worked on it. And you can see here it's the Steve McQueen movie car, so it has to have his autograph on it. Anyway, you know, if you're watching Meekum, watch the auction, see how much this goes for. It's probably the most fun I've had in a long, long time. And I always have fun. So anyways, Dave from Manzik.